days. Okay, so as soon as I put these on your paper, why don't you decide right now who's going to be your resource manager? Okay, resource manager. Okay. Resource manager. Actually didn't ask the resource manager to open the package yet. But that's okay. She told you to do it. So I'm just trying to think now if you should have, while you're fiddling around by yourself, if you should have the scratch paper with you. I think maybe, because otherwise you're just going to be messing around, and I hadn't thought about that. So how about if I walk around and put a stack of scratch paper on every table, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to fiddle around at first, you're going to tinker, but by yourself, without talking to anybody. Why would I have you do this? Ori, why do you think?
So that we could get information without the thoughts of anyone else, and then after that we could share what we got and then maybe come to like some conclusion.
Okay, that's really good, a good way of saying it, because if you all start together, you might all go down one path. But if there's 4 of you thinking about things in a different way, then the more chances there are of different ideas coming out. So I will bring scratch paper to everybody. And meanwhile, now, resource managers, you can take your, and everyone can take the brad out and just start seeing what happens with some of these sticks. And let's say 5 minutes till 8 o'clock. Facilitators, would you please watch the clock? Team captains, would you please make sure no one talks? Oh, you know what? I forgot. Ariel, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I forgot to ask a really important question. And what I meant to do is have you first talk and make sure you understand what it is you're supposed to do and what the question is. So would you talk in your group for just a minute about that? And then when you're done talking, wait.
Find a combination of the little strips and for that said person, which is, like, as a scenario she gave us, which is like kite. Okay? And so he wants us to find the arrangement of those bars in a kite to make any quadrilateral that you would need to make. So I guess right now we're just trying to tinker through and find out what type of shapes we can make using
like what the different holes are. So that's it. Wait, what if you wanted to make like a rhombus? You'd use 2 or these. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out.
Show me that you're listening to one thing. As I was walking around listening, I heard something, and it made me realize I needed to say something else. A lot of you have had experience with geometry before and may have studied this before. So if there's something that you know to be true, I hope that you will hold back the information you have, use that on your own, but just like I don't want to be telling you answers, you also don't want to be telling each other answers, because that takes away the chance to fiddle around with yourself. Eventually, you're all going to want to come to a conclusion, and your information that you knew ahead of time is going to be really important. But at this stage, everybody needs to be able to think about it in as open a way as possible. All right? Okay. Any questions? All right, let's have till about 3 minutes after 8. Silent individual work.